is mini. Actually, I ordered a mini sewing machine. I think that's the one. And let's see. Actually, it's pretty light. Very light. It's just like a pair of our sport shoe. So for a sewing machine, I feel it's just too light. But let's don't judge anything. Yes, it is my mini sewing machine. Wow! With double threads, with 2-speed control. Well, I know a little about sewing, so hope this will be a good start for me. Large spool can be used with rewinding device for easy replacement of bottom bobbin. Easy replacement of bottom bobbin, sorry. 2-speed control, and they have some accessories over here with a foot pedal, needle, and threader. Alright, that's interesting. Yes, it's very light. Okay. Top portable electric mini sewing machine. 202 with foot pedal. Right. How much did I bought this online? Ding ding ding. It's in the Lazada and wow, it's very cheap. I'm not going to tell you exactly how much is that, but it does it's very much below 50 ringgit. It's below 50 ringgit. So no harm. Seriously, it's no harm of trying to buy this. Okay, are we ready? My first mini sewing machine. Well, I think I can use this to teach my daughter. She's interested how the sewing work. Alright, let's remove this. Okay, let me move this a little bit. Okay, so what I can see here, this is the adapter. Now this is the foot pedal. It's so tiny, you see here? It's just big as my palm. Alright. Ding. Tiny, tiny. I can just use my two tools. Okay. Hey. Yes, they give some accessories over here. Some needle. Adapter. It's a 2-pin. Okay. So this is the first version of the video that we saw. What is this mini sewing machine all about? It's seriously meant the description. It is just a mini as mini as like this. Okay, could you see that? It's my palm, my whole palm. There it is. And the length, another palm. So it's just like that. It's so cute. Did you buy it? How is it going to? Yeah, still no confident, huh? Okay, so I can see that. So already with the needle and a small piece of cloth, I think for the testing. Probably they did some QC testing that it's working. And it's quite new, yes. There is no scratches. Okay. Yes, I know little about sewing, right? See, I know where just to tune it. it just looks different than the classic machine, the Singer machine and so on, right? Because this is a mini sewing machine, and it's they make it as simple as possible. Low, high, and this is the on and off button. Put the threads over here and over here. Yeah, and this one usually is to just put this thread over here. What's this? It's clustered. And over here is to put down and put up of the needle. And over here, just slide it over, and you can put the, what I call that, bobbin. Yes, it's the bobbin place. I think it's quite convenient. Oh no, there's a screw over there. Yep, can you see a little screw? Okay. Does this requires a battery? Something over here down there. That's pretty high. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 AA battery that we need. So does the package includes battery? Dang, no. So this is the first version of the review or preview, I will say, of the mini sewing machine. Okay, I'll be doing a second video once I have the batteries ready, and some cloth maybe, and to test it so you can see how it works and judge by yourself. Thank you for watching.